Start na! Huwag puro tanong. I always get comments like this kay Manalyn na nagpapatulong or nagtatanong kung paano nga ba mag-work from home. Paano ba magsimula as a virtual assistant? Paano nga ba kumita habang nasa bahay? This 2025, make your dreams happen. Mag-work from home ka na. Pero paano nga ba? Ang una mong kailangang malaman is ano nga ba yung service na i-offer mo as a freelancer. And merong 5 yan: administrative, creative, tech, support, and sales. Ngayon, kung hindi mo pa rin sure kung ano nga ba yung meron ka na pwede mong i-offer sa mga future clients mo, don't you worry, Mami Chu, we are here to help. The Blogimery Mentorship Program has this top VIP All Access Pass kung saan ituturo namin sa inyo lahat. Yes, Mami, lahat ng alam namin. I actually built a team of mentors na may iba-ibang skill set, and we created this top VIP All Access Pass kung saan 1,999 lang 1 year ka nang may access sa lahat ng classes namin. Whether gusto mo matuto maging media buyer, financial virtual assistant, bookkeeper, or maybe social media manager, pwede ding Amazon virtual assistant, or lagi mo naririnig yung real estate virtual assistant. O kaya halimbawa naman, marunong kang mag-edit ng videos pero hindi mo alam kung paano i-offer yung service na yon sa mga clients. Meron din kaming recruitment, healthcare, lead generation, legal. Kung wala ka pa talagang alam sa freelancing, then we also have what we call the Revamped Basic Work From Home Training Program. At ng classes na to, maa-attendan mo at isang fee lang ang babayaran mo for 1 whole year na yon. 1,999 pesos. If you wanna join, i-click mo lang tong link sa bio ko at i-click mo yung GitHub. Kung sa ibang platform mo naman nakita tong video na to, i-check mo lang yung comment section. It will take you to our GitHub kung saan nandyan ang lahat. Free at paid resources, nandyan na para makapagsimula mag-work from home. But under Life Mentorship, i-click mo lang 1999 Top VIP All Access Pass and it will open the form for you. Uulit ko, huwag ka nang magpatumpik-tumpik pa yung mga goals and aspirations mo. What if this 2025 tupadin mo na? Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis, and I'll see you at the classroom. Bye!